Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your avatar in Genshin Impact. So let's start, and I'm bugged right now. Look at this. What the hell? Press escape, and then just click here on this edit here button, and you're gonna see change avatar. And now I'm going to simply change it to I got Ember right now, and voila, this is how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.